must have been stuck in this place for so long, me can't even remember. We are leaving. Me get some wood for the raft, but me get some even harder for the baby mother when me reach back. Raft 2 done. I hope you never did think of my first time, you know? Or you think me reach here, so? I'm well thirsty. I could have drink anything right now. Even sweet titty milk could have helped me right now. Woo, babe. Why things like this are happen to me mother nature? When me do for you abandon me, you rascal. Lando, we finally made it, thank Jah. Yes, me make it. Me finally home. Wait, this is the wrong island. Nah, man, nah. Me not ready to get eaten. Me skin and bone. Hunter you, man, for the love of Jah.